Money, an indispensable aspect of modern life, serves as the lifeblood of our society, enabling us to navigate the intricacies of daily existence. Whether we are earning, spending, or saving, money occupies a central role in our lives. Yet, amidst the hustle and bustle of financial transactions, how much do we truly understand about the currency we handle? So today, I'll take you to unbelievable currency facts you need to know. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. The vending machine conundrum. Few experiences evoke frustration quite like a vending machine's rejection of a dollar bill. The seemingly bizarre nature of this refusal can be attributed to the different mechanisms at play compared to human cashiers. The intricate validator within the vending machine scans for cleanliness and wear, making cleanliness a crucial determinant for acceptance. To circumvent this issue, some ingenious individuals have resorted to microwaving their bills. The process, though unconventional, aims to rejuvenate the bill by removing accumulated dirt and moisture. However, it is essential to exercise caution, as the outcome may not always be as desired. Number 2. Note Guild. During the tumultuous era of World War I, scarcity of state-produced currency led to the creation of Note Guild, or emergency currency, in Germany and Austria. This unique form of money emerged as a response to political and economic crises, serving as a testament to human adaptability in dire circumstances. Notably, the 2-mark Note Guild note stands out as a remarkable outlier, depicting a donkey nonchalantly grazing while defecating on the grass. This note earned the distinction of being hailed as the funniest money note in the world. The audacious design, though perplexing, serves as a poignant reminder of the resilience and creativity that can arise amidst adversity. Number 3. The finite lifespan of currency. Contrary to the notion of money as an everlasting entity, it possesses a finite lifespan that mirrors the impermanence of our material world. Just as clothing inevitably succumbs to wear and tear, so too does currency notes. Each with its designed period of existence, the lifespan of money varies according to denomination, with the $1 bill enduring the shortest duration at a mere 18 months. As the most frequently traded denomination, the $1 bill experiences rapid circulation, contributing to its brief lifespan. Conversely, higher denomination bills such as the $50 bill and $100 bill exhibit greater longevity, enduring approximately 9 years. This disparity in lifespan underscores the intricate relationship between value, usage, and durability within the world of currency. Number 4. A global currency beyond borders. While the dollar sign's association with America is tenuous, the global stature of the American currency is undeniable. Despite being the official currency of the United States, a significant portion of America's dollars exists beyond the nation's borders. The economic ascendancy of the United States has rendered the dollar a de facto international standard, acknowledged as a widely accepted medium of exchange in countless countries. An astonishing 65% of US dollars, an approximate value of $580 billion, reside abroad, predominantly in the treasuries of central banks. This phenomenon underscores the dollar's pivotal role in facilitating global trade and transactions. While it may seem elusive, its influence resonates across nations. Number 5. Money's material evolution. Contrary to popular belief, the notes we handle are not mere paper. The realization that money is not fashioned from conventional paper, but from a fusion of durable materials may prompt us to question the authenticity of our early teachings. Comprising 75% linen and 25% cotton variants, this material blend confers unprecedented robustness to currency notes, making them resistant to wear and tear. In an era precedenting the 1870s, when parchment paper was the norm, counterfeiting was rampant. The transition to a more resilient material drastically reduced the feasibility of duplicating money, securing the currency's integrity. Hence, modern currency not only holds intrinsic value, but is also a testament to the evolution of security measures. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6. The strange origin of the dollar symbol. Unraveling the mystique surrounding the dollar symbol reveals an origin that predates the United States itself. The symbol's association with the abbreviation US led many to mistakenly link it to the exclusivity with the American nation. However, the truth harks back to the Middle Ages when Spanish colonists exerted their influence over the Americas. During this epoch, the widely used currency was the Spanish piece, representing the Mexican pesos. While the letter S symbolizes Spain, the gold bars found their way to the United States. They bore the distinctive S mark, accentuating the connection to the Spanish emblem. This lineage, spanning centuries and continents, serve as a potent reminder that the roots of currency symbols often traverse diverse historical narratives. Number 7. The contaminated exchange. A seemingly innocuous transaction at a restaurant sheds light in the less than sanitary journey that money often embarks on. Picture this: you receive change after settling your bill, and that very money might have passed through unwashed hands, connecting you to a trail of unknown individuals. The unsettling truth is that money is far from sterile, carrying an array of germs and viruses. An astonishing revelation is that a flu virus can persist on paper money for up to 17 days, potentially serving as a conduit for illness and even food poisoning. Disturbingly, studies indicate that a significant portion of paper money bears traces of hard drugs, attributed to its use as makeshift inhalers for addicts. While we may not be able to control the circulation of money, practice good hygiene, especially in the midst of ongoing concerns like the COVID-19 pandemic that happened recently. We can help mitigate potential risk if we just stay clean. Number 8. Peter the Mint Eagle. Among the array of intricate designs that grace US coins, one particular figure stands out: Peter the Mint Eagle. An emblem of historical significance, Peter the Mint Eagle was a real bird recognized between 1830 and 1836, known to grace the rooftop of the US Mint building in Philadelphia. Tragedy struck when Peter's wing became ensnared in the machinery of a coining press, leading to its untimely demise. The Mint employees, who had grown fond of the majestic bird's presence, tenderly cared for it in its final moments and bestowed upon it the name Peter in a touching tribute. Peter's image became an enduring template for coin engraving, forever commemorating its legacy. To further honor Peter's memory, a striking bronze statue of an eagle was erected on the petrified tree stump near its resting place, greeting visitors at the entrance of the US Mint. Number 9. Queen Elizabeth's reign in currency. Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II extends her influence far beyond the boundaries of British royalty, leaving an indelible mark on the very currency that circulates across the globe. A testament to her enduring presence, Queen Elizabeth's portrait graces over 128 distinct note designs, an artistic chronicle of her illustrious reign. A notable starting point for this remarkable journey was her youthful visage, depicted on Canada's $20 bill when she was just 8 years old. This poignant image symbolized not only her ascent to the throne, but also the transcendence of national borders, foreshadowing her role as a unifying figure across the Commonwealth. As the venerable head of the British Commonwealth, Queen Elizabeth's likeness adorns the currencies of nearly 36 member nations, forging a connection that transcends political divides. In this respect, she has exceeded the legacies of her predecessors, including Queen Victoria and King George V, cementing her status as a global icon. This enduring presence is a testament to her unwavering influence in a rapidly evolving world, where tradition and modernity converge in a symphony of currency aesthetics. Number 10. The enigmatic $2 bill. Before we end off this list, let's delve into the intriguing tale of the $2 bill, a denomination that carries with it a rich history of practicality, obscurity, and cultural allure. Originating in 1862 as part of the United States' first paper currency, The $2 bill served as a reflection of economic realities during its inception. As time changed, so too did the reputation of this unassuming note, which gradually became associated with a shadowy world of gambling, bribery, and other illicit activities. Over time, the $2 bill circulation dwindled, relegated to the fringes of monetary transactions. However, a revival was in store, prompted by a patriotic purpose. The US government, in a gesture of commemoration for the country's bicentennial, breathed new life into this denomination. The resulting bill, adorned with a picturesque depiction of the signing of the Declaration of Independence, rekindled interest and curiosity. Yet, instead of finding its way back into widespread circulation, the $2 bill took on a new role as a collector's item, treasured and preserved. Well, that's basically unbelievable currency facts that you needed to know. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.